Good evening. This is the 3rd of February, 1997, and I'd like to welcome you to the Vallevo home. We think you will enjoy the next year on tape. We know you enjoyed 1996, the film that we sent to you with the kids, the new house, Curtis playing football and Karina and her dates, a new pool, and a walk through our beautiful home. And tonight we'd like to start out our tour of Oklahoma and our family with a visit to Karina. Karina's high school. She's in Act 2. It's a very demanding drama type of affair. And we think that you will enjoy her participation tonight. She's worked very hard in it, and I think you will be enjoyed by her show tonight and the rest of the year 1997.
Inside out or go without?
Inside out. Go without. And Alex says...
Inside out.
French for yes or American for P?
French for yes. American for P. American for P.
American for P!
Ew! It's a two-way tie.
The Army, yeah, you can be or not for me.
Be all you can be. Not for me. Be all you can be.
Definitely not for me.
And the winner is Licky Lake. Oh, how cute. Singled out is my favorite show. The oranges. I cooked his wonderful. I wonder where he's been all my life. How come I could never get a guy that... Oh, well.
And now it's time for the episode of America's favorite soap opera, The Sun Also Sets.
Oh, Rick, happy anniversary, my darling.
It doesn't seem possible that we stayed married for 3 whole weeks.
You know, Rick, this is my kind of show.
I know. He swims like a dolphin, but it's not. Hey, have you had anyone at Sadie Hawkins dance yet?
No, not yet. My magic impulse said this way.
Oh.
But I'm thinking about some friends.
Oh my god, our song laugh, last cycle ever!
So, you think you're gonna beat us? You're acting like a fool. Cause we're not treading water, we're peeing in your pool. Drink it up, and I can wash it down, Drink it up, we like to watch you drown, Can't breathe.
Hey, who's that smart swimming in my seat?
It's me.
Who's that smart swimming in my seat?
It's me. Don't say it too loud. Hey,
don't just take my shirt off.
Yeah.
Oh my God, Ariana. Look who's here. And look at her hair.
Alexis. Alexis with the hair right trying to copy me. What, did phony a supercut while you're trying to copy me? Alexis, it's a lie. Tell me when you're trying to copy me. You're trying to copy me, Greg.
You're trying to copy her. You're trying to copy her.
Trying to copy me. Okay. Yeah, you'll part on the side. Okay. I'm sorry, too. We're here. Call me.
Oh my God. Should we slide some more into this breaststroke? Oh my God. Go
Oh, that's the way we like it. That's the way we like it. Want to swim in the pool. We do our laps, then we groove on land.
Go ahead. Wear your goggles, fool. We only swim in our red bands. Oh, that's the way we like it. That's the way we like it. Yeah, no, spit. Come on, guys, keep someone water in the pool.
Look at me. I'm soaked.
No, you
My
look
hair-
really wet.
My hair's snowing.
No, you look pretty.
Craig, I don't like you like that. I like you different. Craig, I don't like you like that. I like you different. Craig, I don't want to lose our friendship.
Okay.
Okay.
Taco, burrito, I'm coming out for speedo. You got trouble. You stink.
You know, I'm just really sick of trying to move martini here.
I think he needs the perfect shear.
Can't touch this. Can't touch this. Can't touch this. Can't touch this. My, feeling so hard, makes me say, oh my God, thank you for blessing me with a life like this is good. You know you're down, so far from the only that I know. It's something and it's good. You can't touch it.
Oh my God! It's the end of the world. We gotta find a bigger squad over.
No, silly. It's the band. That one band.
Do that thing you do.
I'll make the same bet for 1,000. You do not know the color of necktie you have on. Well? No bet. White. What a crazy color. Nathan, we took Adelaide to the drugstore. Don't bother me. How are you, Sky? Good. How's with you fellows? I've got it. Nicely. We took Adelaide to the drugstore. And she said for you to make sure to pick her up after the show at the Hot Box. And don't be late. Yes, dear. Yes. Yes, dear? Dr. Meyer heard it. Nathan, you're trapped. And Adelaide, you have a dog that's most difficult to unload. But I don't want to unload her. I love Adelaide. And besides, a guy without a doll, well, if a guy does not have a doll, who would haul her at him? A doll's a necessity. Nathan, I am not free to wrap on dogs. I will need a lot of personal help. My heart is as black as 2 feet down the wolf's skeleton.
I will be speaking at the Thursday prayer meeting.
I need private lessons. How about dinner or something?
I think not, Mr. Masterson.
Sorry. Just blossoming on the warmth of your kindness. Hey, wait, that's wrong.
What's wrong?
No peace under the wicked. That's Isaiah, chapter 57, verse 22.
It's Proverbs.
No, it's Isaiah. I'll drop in again, in case you want to take crap from the other team.
Now, for the grand finale of our Round the World Review, we take you down the farm with our star, Miss Adelaide, and the chickies.
a certain type of guy, you wouldn't think she would do so?
What do you mean?
Just for instance, there are certain dolls you can almost bet they wouldn't go for certain guys.
Nay, no matter how terrible a fella seems, you can never be sure go for a go. Take us.
Yeah.
Nay, Johnny. Starting with next week, I'll be giving you raise.
The Hot Box proudly presents Miss Adelaide and her debutantes.
He tried to remove
Hey, so you were beat, anything like that. Good morning, Karina. How you doing?
Good.
What happened, babe? Is this what happens when? Yeah. Is this what happens when someone says break a leg?
Exactly what happened.
Yeah. How did it happen, Karina?
I got ran over by some streakers.
By streakers?
Yeah.
Oh goodness. On the last day, huh? On the last act?
Of the musical, yeah.
Throw it out there again. Let me get a good picture of it. Hey.
I haven't signed
Nice
it,
and pink, huh?
Yep. When did it come off? Look, I've got silver on it now. They were decorating it at Saturday school.
Oh, that's cool.
Paint pens.
Zeus, go lay down.
Sunday school?
Thank you, Zeus.
Like 1,000-something kids. Haven't bought the bunch of yeah. These are really good.
Feed the baby.
No.
Can you tell he just got back from the commissary?
Can you tell I just woke up?
A little bit.
Can you tell I haven't eaten?
Can you tell I'm eating chicken?
I'm hungry.
No problem. Let's figure out what's happening. Small building, one room.
1 room. Okay, are we all here together? Hi, Michael. Michael!
What?
The other one, too. Go get with your sister, Pamela. Pamela?
all doing?
Pamela,
I'm Mike. Try to put him over there.
go over with your sister, please.
Yeah.
Oh, for crying out loud. Saturday night, going to the Family Fun Center at Lions Park, not too far away from our house. We're going on the go-karts, miniature golf, and a couple of other activities on the inside with the kids. Everybody else here. Listen, this may be the only time you get to see it. Huh? The jeans. Mike's not wearing jeans. He's wearing shorts.
No, Curtis.
Brad, get with Danielle. Yeah.
Camera rolling?
Yes.
And in this corner, we have a winner.
There's Curtis. Curtis Morelli. Yeah, no. Go get him, Kurt. Danielle, hey. Brad's way in the back. Brad! Hey Brad, you ready to go? You can't hear me. We'll see how he does. Oh, yeah, I would think so.
She's been power sliding the whole time.
Oh my God, yeah.
She knows how to drive. She'll get used to that.
Yeah, come on, at least one lap here, huh? And Brad's coming around. Hey, those girls are going fast. Brad's, hey, look at, hey, yeah. Whoa. There's Brad. Oh, and Danielle. And whoa. Oh, Danielle, go Powder Puff. Yeah.
Snap that quick picture.
And we're rolling, go.
Actually, I've never seen a photographer.
Damn! slam dunk. All right, go Bridget.
Grown a little.
Yeah, you've done really well. Just your speed, huh?
Oh, yeah.
He can put his head in there. Yeah, it's gonna be a long day down there. For the guys to get going and get wet and stuff, and Karina's down there with Mike and Dee, Curtis, and everybody. Got a little wet, but they're gonna get wet afterwards. Oh, look, line's moving. Line's moving. Something like this they'll be coming down on. They're gonna get wet and more wet. Coming down around that corner. There they go. Not for an hour. You're doing good, Karina. Don't whip me.
Give my pager.
Okay.
Come on! You know what? Sound like shoes still on. I know. Hey!
Brad, don't do that. Thank you.
All right. Bunch of wet rats.
Get it off!
What is it?
In your box.
It's in my box. What is it? It's stuff. Okay. Are we going to have fun today? What are we going to do today, Karina? Yeah. Put it down. Okay. Guys, behave yourselves. Michael, enjoy yourself. Michael. Wave goodbye. Wave goodbye, Michael. Kiss it. You're out of here. And Crit. Nope, not this way. Just go around me. There you go. Looking good. How did Kurt get involved this one? I don't know. Bye. Bye, babe. Bye, guys. Bye, Kurt. There we go. The lens cover off. This one. There's Michael and the crew. Put your hands inside the rails, he says. This one goes really quick and it has up and down and everywhere here. That's okay.
Where are my glasses?
I don't have them, Kurt. More people have asked me about this hat, and they want to see this hat. They say, hey, that's cool, mister. I like your hat. I told them I like it too. Hey, Kurt. He's getting beat up in the middle there. Look at him, Mike. house out there trying to drive. What a little cluster this is, huh? Go get it, Mike. Curtis?
I'm suing you!
Good, you are suing me.
Hey, stop!
What you got, Mike? Are you sure you can't lift that bigger hammer? Okay, good. The big yes hammer. Bob Grande. Oh, that was big. Doesn't really matter. Anyways. There you go. 84, not bad. Final hit. But not the 100 or more. For $1. The one.
Close course. Jimmy, you're supposed to be wearing your helmet. How come you're not wearing your helmet? Where's your brain bucket? Look out! Look out, Jimmy! Oh my God! Look out! God, you! Oh, lean! Get up there! Get up there! Oh, go, Jimmy! Look! Look at that intense concentration! And there goes Curtis. Oh, get off the wall, Kurt! Get off the wall, Kurt! Look out! Look out, Kurt! Whoa! Kurt, where's your helmet? Lean, Kurt! Oh! You mean like skate like that, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
She's doing it.
Mm-hmm. And she's gonna break away! Okay, there you go.
When Karina's skating, you
Yeah.
gotta get her to go not straight. You gotta go when you skate, you go out to the side each foot and you dig. When you do, if you go straight like this, you're gonna go nowhere. You gotta go out to the side and dig in.
And they're getting, okay.
See this guy? See how when he was pushing, he's going side to side and
Yeah.
his feet are digging?
Look how you're standing straight up, Karina. Get down lower, get down lower.
Low center of gravity. Go
Yep.
to your knees a little bit.
Bend your knees, lean forward some.
Dig in.
Dig in, dig in, dig in with the skates, the outer edge. You go forward good.
She's doing awesome.
Yeah.
He's against a goalie. That's a tough fight. He's got all the pads. Get up, Karina. Knock him down. Take his skates up. Oh, no. Oh, no. Nasty, nasty, nasty. Oh, no. He said any means necessary. He took him serious.
Good move, get down low, Karina, get down low. Get up, get up. Get your glove. Whoop, whoop. Hey, you got it. I got it. Get a stick, Karina, get a stick. Go in, Karina, go, 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 go. Dig, dig, dig. Not that way. Good release. Here you go. You're not wearing elbow pads?
Karina's not wearing elbow pads? That's
I don't-
scary.
That's fucking scary. Whack him, Karina. I'm fine, Mike. You can walk in front. For Christ's sake.
Outside.
Shoot it, Karina. Good pass. Good pass. Go to the net. Go to the net, Karina. Get right in front of it. There you go. Get out of the blue. Get out of the blue, Karina. There you go. Fight him. Good try. Good try. You stand right there. Yeah, she's getting tired. Oh, forget it, Karina. Skate sideways with him. Go skate him, Karina. Get between them. Clear it out. There you go. Today is Wednesday. I don't know the date, but today everybody's going to the zoo. It's a nice, cool, overcast day, but we're going to have a good day at the zoo today. And then tomorrow, Remington Park to go and watch the horses. Oh shit, look, there's one, it got loose. Oh, it's a loose. I think we'll have to tell the park ranger. I remember we used to go, hey Jenny. Across the street there.
That's the one, the baby rhino. A poodle and a chihuahua, and a poodle and
Kind of side by side in the zoo here. It's okay. You can keep on walking down if you like. Don't anybody move.
American.
Wait for the flash. Okay.
No.
We got birds all around my parents' house, and it's usually the male is
What the smell?
No. Smells like salt. What did you take a picture? They were only birds.
Brad, get out. They find
Excuse me. Hey, look at that moose turtle right there. See that? Wait up.
looks like an apple.
That's a bee. Wait.
It's funny how these animals are huge and they come red.
Let's look pretty with that.
Michael. Feenstra. Feenstra. Oh, Michael, good. Can you hear him crunching it with his teeth? Hooah.
Did he get to see the tortoise? Hey, Ian!
And see, that turtle doesn't wear glasses because it's eating that carrot stick right there. When Tammy had the Fleming picnic, her company put on a picnic free of charge with a dolphin exhibit and stuff like that. This is where they had it. No, go ahead, that's fine. It's real life.
I don't know. They might be this way. They might be. Okay, Dad.
So now we're going to see the monkeys and the lions. Yeah, tell the rhino to move over.
He's moving. Oh, here we go. Oh, that's perfect. 1,
Where's the fire?
2, 3.
Cheddar.
This is good double.
Videotape! Oh, you suck,
Oh, hey, that reminds me. I've got to clean the pool. Yeah, that's America's Home Funniest, right? I don't see the red button. Okay, the red button's on today. Hi, Brad. Today is the 6th of August. Happy birthday, Mom. I hope you got my letter and my card. Your birthday card will be coming soon. We're visiting with the Blunks and everybody in the Feedsters. And, of course, I'm the photographer.
You're posing, man.
And we'll go this.
Hey, good to see you guys. What brings you here?
Guys, I love you, man.
My gorilla friends.
Hey, look.
Group hug.
Group hug. The brother-in-laws. How often?
Brother-in-law. Brother-in-law.
Ooh.
We stick there for an hour. Where's this thing?
But then, like, these things come out.
All right, we gotta go down one more time.
Oh, this is too cool. Family, which is I'm impressed with. Okay.
You like that sweet already, huh? Sweet one, the Eclipse Rum, courtesy of Nations Bank. We can bet in our room. Man, as you can see, we got plenty of walking space around. Color TV. Back up a little bit. Have ourselves a little wet bar action over here. So we're looking real fine. You have to have this little pretty sticker to come in the Eclipse Rum. Phone. Oh, we do have a phone in our room. Crane, can I get some picture of you? Huh? Then we can go outside onto the balcony here. And we'll see Curtis and Mom talking, and Deanna and Gail. Let's go outside and hobnob.
I spent a lot of time.
We're hobnobbing here with the rich and famous people here.
Darling, where's my champagne? I've been waiting.
Oh, it's coming, dear. It's coming, dear. And they're grooming the track here now. Getting it nice and sit. It's going to be a good track. Good track.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Little display board. They got that thing up there now too. Brad, please don't.
Mom, where are you going?
It's gonna be about 10 minutes before they even start here. They'll start down in that direction and head east. We're about a good 100 feet up above the field. And Pam and Deanna and Brad and Gail, they're down there checking out the other suites.
Days in Northwest is situated just a short 5-minute drive from Remington Park, featuring a full-service restaurant and lounge. Days in Northwest Remington package includes a guest room and coffee.
Downstairs is the where they bring in the winner. The horses will be brought out through that path there onto the track, and then they display. They give the horse flowers across its neck and all. And we have the cheap seats down here. See, there's a horse going into the paddock area now. And they're going to go and rub them down, I guess, a little bit. Yeah, Dee and Bridget, Dee and Gail and Deanna and Tammy going on there to check out the other place. Let's go on the inside. That's a nice enclosed place here. Off to the side, those two towers, those are TV cameras. Let's see if we get any closer. Those are TV cameras that pick up the race so that they can see them going around all the turns and all. That's right there. And I guess they're going to start walking around that way.
Will Dan Burris. Dan Burris. Please contact extension 3915 immediately.
And again, this is full view of it. It's a nice cool day. Rain's stopped. Temperature's probably about 70 degrees, maybe 73. And things looking fine. There's some more of those TV cameras that catch the horses coming down that stretch there. Now let's go on inside. You check things out, Brad? Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
Let's go on inside.
Oh, Mike. Right.
Anything you want.
It's pretty good, Mike. Pretty good.
My grandmother's got the steam for the liquor, the dry liquor. She can make it good. Oh, she's coming. You made your own drink? Okay, let's quiet this down in here. What is excuse me. Let's see, this one, everybody, this is my cousin, Ruby Moore. Hi. Hello, Rena.
This is Danielle.
Danielle, she's from Massachusetts. Oh. Yeah, Mike.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Ruby.
Nice to know you. I've heard a lot about you.
Oh.
Oh, no, that was,
Yeah.
yeah, Mike is my son right over here.
Oh, he's the one that's
Hi.
nice.
Mike, this is Ruby, at Marty's girl, at Matley's girl.
Glad to know you.
Nice to meet you too.
And Ruby.
You got all this figured out?
This is
No,
Mike's daughter and my granddaughter. Hi,
Hi, Danielle. You reading the book? Oh.
Thank you. Nice meeting you.
And Kurt's looking good too. I'll right here, by the way, he's wearing my pants. Brad.
You made me change my shoes.
I know, Kurt.
I think he lost. He won 39.
It's like 6 winners of races, 3 8. Yeah, that's what I want.
What's Crane doing? Gonna spit on the people? I wonder.
I know, right? Finish. Oh, that's a crowd. There they were.
Holloway made top dollar fast and is going to lead. Davis will be Cunha second and second. Aaron Gonzalez third. Along Brad for the outside fourth. Then comes on in 3
Mike was bet on.
7 6. Wait, oh, there they are.
What's his name?
2, we're 7. We're 7.
Okay, watch the race. It's all right. Mine's in 4th. 7 isn't showing at all. That's that mama.
You don't get anything for 4.
I'd love to be in the middle of it.
Do we hear it? Sounds like horses racing. I've never been to one. Number 6 is going to take it. He's got a good lead. Oh, number 1's 4. Oh, I'm sorry.
Here it is.
And they don't get it changes when they come around the corner.
Here we go. Here we go.
Oh, go! Oh, yeah! Oh! Come on.
I figured you had the favorite. It's fun to win. Oh my God. Friends just, oh my God. Great. Oh my goodness. Not where you said it. Mike, was he the long shot?
I didn't even see he was the favorite. He was the favorite.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Which one? I can't believe
Hey, Brad!
you didn't even see 7.
No.
It didn't play. No, and it didn't play. See?
But I didn't even see him on the field.
Very good.
Oh my God. You are good. Watch him, man. He's wicked good at this.
I mean, watch him come in.
That whatever he does, when they come
I
back.
only did $2. I'm easing into it.
Hey, we need the fun part here, right?
I've done it most, like
It's
every
not
time
much.
here is 5.
He was one of the favorites. He's not going to fail.
No, everyone else is betting on him.
No, I won more than that, but I'm saying the most of them is Oh, this is cool. Now wait to show how much we won. Come on, the win.
See right here? See the
Come
green
to me.
board?
I'll take.
No, right here. See the green board? Results.
Tammy, commentate, please. Tell us, Michael.
$2 bet.
See?
We won! We won! We won! We are the champions!
See where it says results 1365? Right next to $2 bet. It will tell you what it pays to pay.
Those are the odds, mine. Oh, the winner's circle! Oh, how cute! And he gets pictures.
Winner's circle. That's where the check.
Yeah, it goes into the photo album.
And you got to get Oh,
Then they do drug testing afterwards.
Oh, this is fun! So help make sure we take water. Okay? And also, too much salt can kill you.
Yeah, like, doesn't like clog your heart or something, or your...
Where they give you lethal injections with the death penalty? That's what they're giving out sometimes. That's really salty.
All they would have to do is put air in there, that kills you just as much. But it hurts a lot.
Carly, I think, he was a man out of Cedar Valley. Got pictures of him.
And I just had a limit like a $20, and I won. Fancy, yeah, it was really good. And it was still like one time.
Oh, it's a fire alarm.
Mom's been a lot before, but I never Oh, that's good. And after, there's a lot of entertainment.
That's down in Louisiana.
I know. Why does that say Remington Park?
Because that's where the park is going, it says Louisiana down. That's where the park's
This is live right now in Louisiana?
Yeah. This is really parts TV.
So now when they're showing this, we don't know who they're talking about.
Well, this should have, usually probably have about 10 minutes.
That long?
Yeah, this one's over, this should be about 10
So
minutes.
this is a long.
There's Pam and Mike. They're trying to cash in on the their winnings out of the last race there, you know.
They're already gone.
Yeah. Oh, they must be coming up from the
They're probably
the track or the stables and stuff.
Yeah.
Then they come up here to be inspected and all.
No, this is where they start from. They groom them in these stalls and
Yeah.
then bring them out.
67. Big 6 for you will be upcoming third. From the third race, scratch number 6, Corporate Pool. Let's review the major changes during the Big 6. Looking ahead to the fourth. Make the rider for number 2, Smoke and Silver, Bobby Johnson. Johnson on the 2, Smoke and Silver.
The Dragon's very expensive. Yes, very high class. Everything.
Very high class. High class.
Loaded from the
The Eclipse room.
Very. Like it's ready to gallon.
Yeah, they come, they pick up the horse and then they
You see eight?
they'll bring them on down to the gate afterwards.
Start or finish number Which one do you know what to start or finish number with that one?
I'm not
You gonna go put the money on that one?
4 and 8 in pink, Deanna. 8 in pink.
Mike, what'd you go with this time?
I haven't been.
You took a time.
Now they're just kind of walking them through, warming them up a little bit,
I like what mine looks like.
getting them ready.
You look like it's ready. What are you, 4? Happy.
This is going to be a very short race because it goes from there right to there. This is a sprint.
Beautiful. Look at 5. Look.
Mike, this is a sprint, right?
4, 2 is 8.
In the
100-yard sprint, huh?
Oh, yeah, he's raring to go.
70-yard sprint.
Here we go. Oh, my God. Oh, my God, number 4.
I don't know. And they crossed the finish line. Ho! Well, that was a short race, wasn't it?
Number 2 is looking good.
He's so long, there's no way it's jumping.
4 still in second. Uh-oh, number blue. My glasses fall off.
Okay, this is where you need binoculars.
Ready, y'all?
Stop right down there. It's gonna change right now. Look at it. See it change that track the minute they take a corner. Who'd you go with, Mike? Look. Number 9. Oh, we did too. Oh my God, here comes 4. Here comes 6. Here comes 5. Here comes 7. Oh, no.
Hang in there, let's go!
Number 8.
I boxed 8-4.
No, we still did okay.
You still in second.
Mike, you can go home. You can fly.
That's pretty good.
The middle one was only like a head in front of them.
We were there.
We won. He slowed down too.
Great.
Let me see number 2.
Didn't come in. I did it.
Sure, get him right there. They're still gonna pop it in. I lost it all.
You what?
I
How much money did you get?
Pam, how much did you win before?
Did you get?
I went 540 and I lost it all.
So you're only down $2.
See, I boxed him.
Who would have guessed?
$4.
Number 2.
Glenn Murphy with the score, aboard number 7, Pleasant News. Pleasant News pays $6.80 for the victory. 7-4 exacta, good for $37 even. Vanilla 4-7 combination, that's good for $17.60. The first big three of the night. Victory combination.
What's the matter, Deanna? Not doing too good. Did you lose, honey?
No, I didn't bet on this race.
Oh, I'm
I
sorry.
was eating. I was too busy picking out.
Maybe next time.
Maybe. Next time for sure.
Okay.
Hi, those are our bags.
Those are our bags.
We just ate, so we're kind of giddy.
Kind of getting into like,
A little.
hey, who's the daughter and who's the mother here?
This is Bridget. Hello, darling.
Bridget is your cousin?
Bridget is my cousin.
Your little cousin.
And we're cousins.
Adorable cousins, and we smile.
We walk alike, we talk alike, at times we even walk alike. You can lose your mind when cousins are two of a kind.
Yeah. Here we are at Remington Track in Oklahoma City. You got those two crazy wild women there, and they're standing out in front of the, in front of the cheap seats. Who's there? Tell them to wave some more. There's Michael. There's Mike's and Mike's. That's where we were up there before.
Radar.
So we were way up in the nosebleed.
Landing back.
Michael up in the nosebleed sections, and there's a big wide open area there. I'll tell you, this is living, folks. This is really living. The poor people live down here. And up on that middle section there, they have their individual tables, and they have their individual TVs and stuff. You can see those crazy people still up there. And they do the betting from the tables and stuff. And Mike taking a picture.
Mike's taking pictures, start dancing.
Okay, I think I've got enough film here.
Blur pictures and it's like pink and blue fluff. We posed for the video camera. And dancing still.
Okay, cut. And they finally crossed the finish line. That's how close we were.
Big battle up front. Tesla man, Boucher. And here we come, ladies.
Katie. Katie. Hi, Katie. What's that man doing? Oh, what a great, beautiful face. What a happy. Hi, Katie. Oh, that's not a picture. Oh, hi. Hi. Look at the pretty bear. Look at the pretty bear. Wanna go play with him?
Katie. Here's your telephone. Here's your phone. Yeah. Oh, yeah. You gonna rest? Look at her. She's always got to have a leg popped up.
Kick him back. Yeah.
No.
Let the kid a bear for this, huh?
Show him what
Mom,
you
can
can
you
do.
give me my bag?
Here.
Is it just my bathing?
Okay, now we're recording.
Peekaboo. Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi, Uncle Ben.
Hi.
Hi, Aunt Pam.
Hi, Katie.
Hi. Hey, Peekaboo.
So contented.
I don't know about cameras yet.
No?
Ah.
Hi.
Checking it out anyway, she's not shy.
Yeah.
No, not one bit.
Can you wave hi?
I'm 8 months old. Hi. Hi.
When was you born? In November, right?
November 29th.
29th.
Yeah.
Oh, she's such a perfect
Oh.
Show them what you can do over here. Here, looky here. What is that?
size. Ah, good trick.
Can you do it like in the circus? Flip that around?
That was a good duck.
Mom said I needed to get this on camera soon because she quit doing it. Look at that.
Yeah.
There's one for your hands and one for your feet. That's how we do it.
Oh, that's so cute.
Isn't that funny? She'll take it and transfer it up to her hand.
Good for you.
Can you get that?
Yeah,
I
I'm
know
almost
this is
there.
getting recorded.
I'm almost. Oh, no, 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 no.
Come on. See what's Vance doing? I know he's doing something.
It's worth it. I do. I just burn like a lobster. I just. Yeah, let's do it. Where are they? Is that your little piece of wood?
Yeah, sure, correct.
Yeah. That canoe is really comfortable.
Hi, Dave. Getting your film there. Paul Bunyan.
We'll have to get us catching those big fish here in a little.
Oh, yeah.
And I went like this and I went, and she turned back, and that was the only difference.
Okay, now raise, just don't hold that line. Raise the pole. There you go. Now let it down.
Go away, fish. Go away, go away, go away.
See if it's still going. Now throw the bail. Just push the bail.
I know you're not going to ram us.
The wire. Just shove the lip. See the wire? This one? Yeah. No, that's the line. The wire's right below it. There. Just pull it up. There you go. Okay. Just hold your pole straight.
Hey, Smiley.
Just a little bit. Hi, Katie.
Huh?
Hi, Katie. Hi, Katie.
There's that?
Here we are at Fort Gibson Lake, Sequoia Park. Yeah, Sequoia Park, Oklahoma.
Good place to be. We're at the,
This is the catch of the afternoon.
the only catch, yeah. This is a grouper,
A drum.
a drum, and this little guy here is a
Flathead,
Hornpout.
flathead catfish.
hornpout. Yeah, flathead. Yeah, notice the flathead and stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, me and Jock.
So we're going to roll some rice and put those on top with a little spicy mustard and have some sashimi.
Plenty of rice. Roll it right up. It tastes good. I'm happy with it. I haven't caught this anything this big in about 10, 15 years at least.
Okay.
I'm good. That's a lot.
The catfish will be, the drum won't be.
Yeah.
You can go ahead and turn them loose and just let them go.
Go. That was the best thing for them. I think they're both alive anyways. And we're going to let Dave go out there and try and sink it. Mad River Canoe. Let's see how Dave does, huh? He's Don't try this at home. Dave's out there, he's trying to get an idea on how it feels to sink it, you know, so if he's out there by himself, he'll be able to handle the matter and take care of the situation and all. I guess off in the distance is a dam. I don't know what the dam is, but what they call it and stuff, but let's see how Dave does it again. That's pretty low. I guess there's a breaking point to this, huh? And he's back in safe and sound.
And it was just wonderful. It was in October. The leaves were changing. It was just so quiet. Hardly any campers, so we had the place to ourselves.
No campers. They had shut that one down.
Oh, that's the best time to come, really.
We went out there and set up, but the hurricane came in and said, this whole area, this whole section is closed. I said, we've already set up the end of the day. They said, well, I'm sorry. I said, hey, we don't need it. I'll just leave the facilities on, so we had
Hey, Katie.
an peninsula to ourselves.
Hi, Katie.
There was Armadillo out there, and
Hi, Katie. You're a good baby.
we had left a loaf of bread.
You're a good baby.
We told everybody to go on and dances. We came in and beer stand not far from our front door eating loaf of bread.
He put a hole in the bag about that big. He was pulling the bread through the hole, and he had pulled the last piece out when we got there. It was so funny. It was like had his nose in the bag.
Katie. Katie, hi.
Yeah, I guess she's not done. Nothing new.